guys. So I went ahead and added in the same code that we used for the asteroid. Player on collision with lava, player destroy. You know, remember your ship, when it collided with the asteroid, it would destroy the player? Same code here. Now, I want to show you guys something that, whoa, see, did you see that? I went ahead and I just am barely, not even over the lava, and I die. Now, you guys might have noticed that in your ship game too, where you barely are next to an asteroid and you explode. Well, I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So that is your object's collision. Remember how we messed with the collision on Juicy? Well, if I double click on this guy and go and turn on his collision polygon, look how high it is. That's all the way up here where, you know, there's no lava here. We don't want to kill the player there. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to drag this down. I'm going to drag this. Whoa! That's right. You can select two of them if you want. You can, you know, drag them both up. And if I hold control and click, I can select both of them at once, which is pretty cool. And drag them both down. So there we go. We want them both to be down. Now, just like our origin on our animation was messed up every frame, look at this. If I click on this one, whoa, it goes up high again. See that? We do not want that. We do not want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and be on the one that I like and come up to the collision I like, right click, and I'm going to say apply to whole animation. And now, look at that. It's perfect on all of them. So if I close my window and hit play, I can scoot over to the side there and not die. Oh, I can get right on the side until I jump in. And then I get it. We could even like have him kind of fall in the lava deeper before it destroys us. Like I could come in and drag it really low, just so he kind of like falls in pretty good. There we are. Let's drag it really low. So when our character, he kind of gets submerged a little bit before we destroy him. And that'll make it look even juicier. We always use that term juicy when we want to make something look cool. Apply to whole animation. There it is. And now let's try it out one more time. And he can kind of go, oh, there it, cool. Look at that. It really looked like he fell in it. Ah, nice. All right. Oh, he can hold on with his little juicy arm. Oh, hold on. Let me see if I can do that. Oh, yep. I'm holding on with my juicy arm. Sweet. All right, you guys. Go in there. Fix your collision on your lava. Good luck.